Abhijit from FinCon Research Family, and today I am going to discuss about the swing trading strategy by using elder indicator. And welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel. First, the elder ray. So, the elder ray indicator was developed by Dr. Alexander Elder, and it was originally introduced in his popular book Trading for a Living. Now, the objective of elder ray indicator. First, this indicator is a traditional overbought and oversold indicator where elder ray attempts to measure extreme optimism or pessimism in the underlying market. So, this is the main objective of this indicator. Component of this indicator. In this elder ray indicator, we have two components. One is the bull power and another one is the bear power plotted in the two line. And next things, to get a good better result, it was recommended that a corresponding exponential moving average to be plotted along with the bull power and bear power for better interpretation. So now I am going to discuss the trading rule by using this elder ray indicator. First I will discuss the buying opportunity by using this indicator, and next I will discuss the selling rule by using this indicator. Now I am going to a chart. This is the Metastock. This is the platform which I am using is the Metastock 11. In this elder ray indicator, we have two components that I have already discussed. The first component is the bull power and another one is the bear power. Here, the blue line is representing the bull power and the red line is representing the bear power. Okay, so for buying rule, what we need to check, firstly we have to check the direction of the price. For buying opportunity, we will have an uptrend price, so it will be confirmed by EMA. So price are trending up as indicated by the EMA. This is the first condition, and the next is the most recent bull power peak is higher than the previous peak and bear power is moving higher with a bullish divergence with the price. So these are the three conditions that we need to check to take a long entry by using this elder ray indicator ruling system. So first we will have a price uptrend that will confirmed by EMA, exponential moving average. Second, we will have a positive or bullish divergence in between price and oscillator. We can see that here the bear power is making lower highs, higher lows, where price is making lower lows. Means the pricing is making lower lows and oscillator is making higher lows. So this is basically a positive or bullish divergence in between the price and oscillator. And third thing is peak in the bull power. So this is the bull power line, blue line is the bull power, and we have this peak which was made on 27th March, and now again this peak is crossing by this bull power line as on 3rd April. Okay, so we will have already two things in our chart. First, we have a bullish divergence in between price and oscillator. Second, the price is now moving upward, which is confirming by EMA, and third one is this peak. Now when when this peak will cross again, we will have a long entry in this stocks. So this is a chart of Sun TV network. See, if we have taken long entry over here in between 306 and 10, and after that we will have the price around 380 to 400. We have already got the price 380 to 400 from a long entry around 306 to 10. So 306 to 10 pricing level we have already got 380 to 400 level by using this simple trading strategy which is called elder ray. By using elder ray indicator, just we need to check three confirmation. Price is in an uptrend, positive divergence or bullish divergence in between price and oscillator, basically in a bear power and price over here. And third thing is the recent previous peak will have to be crossed by bull power. So if these three conditions is matched, then we will have a good entry and will have a good price momentum from this trading rule. So this was the buying rules trading strategy for by elder ray indicator. Now I will discuss the selling opportunity by using elder ray. Here we will have to check the price direction. If the price is trending down as indicated by the EMA. This is the first condition that we need to check. So price will have to be in a downtrend mode. Second, the most recent bear power bottom is lower than the previous button and bull power is moving lower with the bearish divergence or negative divergence. Now I will go to the chart. Here we can see there is a negative or bearish divergence in between bull power and price, where price was making higher top, but this oscillator or bull power is making lower tops or lower highs. So this is the clear cut negative divergence in between bull power and the price. So this is the first condition that we have already got. Second condition is price will have to be in a downtrend. That will be confirmed by EMA. When the price is trading below EMA line, so we have a second confirmation. Now third confirmation is the recent bottom created by bear power. Now this bottom was created on 17th Feb 2020 and we will have negative divergence around 11 Feb, but we will have the entry when the price will again breaking this previous bottom. So this date is around 27th Feb. So in 27th Feb we have a low around 446. So if we have taken entry over here and after that we have got a price move almost 382. So we have got a price from 300 from 450 level to 382. So this kind of return we have got by using this simple trading strategy, which is called elder rate trading strategy, that we can use to get a swing trading profit. So basically these are the simple rule that we can use in our trading, and I am using the Metastock 11 software to plot this chart and all.